How to remove your Tumblr profile picture. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to go to your blog profile. Next, tap the paintbrush or theme appearance icon at the top to open the profile customization menu. Now tap on your current profile picture. A menu will pop up giving you the option to choose a photo, show avatar, and shape. To remove it, toggle off the option labeled Show Avatar. Then tap the tick mark at the top left corner and then save your changes. Once you do this, your profile picture will no longer be visible. Since Tumblr doesn't provide a direct option to delete the profile picture, another workaround is to replace the existing photo with a blank or neutral image. Now you know how to remove your Tumblr profile picture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.